Okay, now as I'm creating the main blocking poses till the end, I will also start adding certain breakdowns. This is kind of like the start of the phase we call the blocking plus. I will start it simultaneously with the blocking phase because our rough blocking for the first part is done. So to get even a clear picture of the whole movement, I will need to add some of those breakdown poses, and later on, while I'll be in the middle of the blocking plus, I'll enter the final stage of the blocking by adding those in betweens and details. The holes and everything will be done in the spline process right now. So shift some of the keys here and add one breakdown pose right here before he makes the contact to the ground. So I'm going to select all of the controls here. You can go ahead and drag select, or you can also create a selection set. You're going to linear that and press a key, go to animate and press a key, and then you'll get this default pose that Maya created, and then we'll go ahead and like work on the pose. So right now we have this in between pose here, but we kind of need to work on with the legs because I want the legs to be landed by then. It should be like this impact. He's already in the land, but his hands are still up in the air. I'm going to make his hands go back more so that the impact looks even better. So it's like bam, right there. He lands and then he hits. It's not from the air that he hits right away. He needs to land there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take care of some of the Z directions here. It's way too much further than the landing pose here. So I'm going to select all these keys and put them down a little bit so that they would come back and it would make more sense. Alright, that looks okay. We could go ahead and work some more in the impact part, but I'm going to go ahead and create some more poses right now because we need to finish this whole action sequence before we get into the blocking plus and the splining of it. I'm going to go ahead and save this file right away. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and work on the next pose here. Actually, it's the hit pose where the spear hits the guy. We need to make sure that this time, since it's on the left side, we will have to find a transition for his spear to come from the right to the left. And keeping in mind that it will still be in his both hands. So unlike the first hit, this one will probably will hold the spear at one end of it rather than in the middle, like we did in the swing. And this one also will not have any pauses here because this is a continuous movement, and we'll go for the pause like right after this pose. I mean right after this this action here. that would make him walk. So it's basically like we'll also add all those ease in poses later on. Right now I'm just kind of trying to figure out if the whole action is coming out believable. Making it convincing is the most difficult part, you know. So first I'm trying to get the whole action done in proper blocking poses. That run cycle pose that I was talking about. So I'm going to definitely go ahead and try to pause him somehow with 2-3 steps of a slow run and then a walk, probably by the end of it. So I absolutely didn't want to increase the timeline here, but I think I will need to, maybe like 50 more frames. But I think that'll be it, because we totally need to finish this whole action sequence. Right now it's no problem because, you know, I am the one who is creating it, and it's not gonna be like in any sequence or anything. It's just like a whole complete own product here. So number of frames won't matter here much. But I was trying to keep it smaller, keep it very brief, but looks like we have to increase some of the frames here. Yeah, we kind of need this another pose right here in the middle before he kind of tries to settle himself, because this isn't looking right. We need that air pose right in the middle here. It's kind of like that ease in pose that I was talking about, that he's going to be in the air right after he hits the last impact. So it's doing the first hit here and the second hit, and in the second hit itself he needs to go up in the air, and then he needs to come down again and then settle himself. Let's go ahead and push this last key here, and I'm gonna go ahead and create this pose here. Yeah, something like that. Playing this video, and it's still not looking great. It's still not looking like the way I thought. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this part here. Yeah, we need those poses here. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up. Yes, exactly like the way I thought it would work. I hope this fast switching between scenes, between views, it's not disturbing that much, and understanding that what I'm doing here. Actually, I have speed up the video 10% than a regular speed.